Are you a science enthusiast? Do you want to be amazed by the following products? Relax, because the best of the best is coming. Products you won't even believe exist. Sirico Live, an invention that'll amaze you, represents a significant advancement in energy efficiency management and sustainability in the maritime industry. This software platform goes beyond simply providing optimal maritime routes by taking into account multiple objectives, such as reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions, while ensuring the safety and punctuality of voyages. Using a real-time digital twin of the vessel, Sirico Live enables continuous optimization during the voyage, adjusting the route in real time based on weather conditions and other factors. This not only improves operational efficiency, but can also have a significant impact on reducing the cost and environmental footprint of the maritime industry. Sirico Live empowers crews to make informed decisions that contribute to more efficient and sustainable navigation. Ultimately, this platform represents a significant step towards a cleaner and more profitable future for maritime shipping. Impressed by Sirico Live? Get ready for the next device that'll blow you away with its limitless innovation. Now let's talk about a remarkable invention that is changing the world. The Pilo helmet represents a true revolution in bicycle helmet design, combining an impressive array of cutting-edge technologies to create a product that redefines safety and functionality standards in the cycling world. Developed by Berlin-based innovation studio Frontier, this innovative prototype has been meticulously designed to meet the needs of both urban cyclists and high-performance athletes. What makes Pilo unique is its total focus on safety, comfort, and functionality. From its 3D printed nylon structure designed to absorb impacts more effectively than traditional helmets, to its cutting-edge smart features like LiDAR radar sensors, 3D surround sound, and 360-degree intelligent safety system, every aspect of this helmet has been carefully crafted to provide maximum protection and comfort to the user. In addition, Pilo's sleek and modern design makes it a fashion accessory both in the city and on the track. And this is just the beginning, because you'll be amazed by what's next. The next invention challenges reality and takes safety to the next level. The Gyro Glove represents a significant advancement in hand stabilization, giving people the freedom to live without tremors. Its neodymium PMS motor, developed with input from prominent academic institutions and leading research organizations, demonstrates a commitment to technological excellence. In addition, the Gyro Glove is meticulously designed with housing that reflects the highest standards of quality in manufacturing. Produced by a manufacturer with a proven track record of creating high-end products, such as Apple devices, this hand stabilizer offers a perfect combination of elegance and functionality. With the Gyro Glove, simplicity becomes a powerful tool to improve the quality of life for those who use it, freeing them from unwanted tremors and allowing them to fully enjoy every moment. Incredible? Yes, almost bordering on science fiction. But wait until you see the next piece of equipment that takes technology beyond your wildest dreams. The Virgineers Portable Trainer represents a significant advancement in the field of aviation training, unconventional inventions that defy expectations by offering a versatile platform that can be adapted to a wide range of training needs. Its ability to provide unlimited training with different types of aircraft and scenarios gives the user a complete and varied learning experience. This training system is particularly useful for tactical applications where specific and detailed training for critical missions is required. By simulating a wide variety of situations from rescue operations to squadron flights, the portable trainer allows pilots and crews to effectively prepare for any scenario they may face in real life. The portable trainer also eliminates the risk associated with certain operations by allowing users to practice in a safe and controlled environment. If you are amazed by the Virgineers Portable Trainer, wait until you discover what comes next. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Bladebug is developing advanced technology to help technicians inspect and repair wind turbine blades without the need for rope access. Its crawler robot can operate out of line of sight, allowing technicians to perform maintenance tasks remotely, eliminating associated costs and environmental risks. The speed and ease of deployment of the crawler robot allow operations and maintenance teams to proactively address blade defects before resorting to traditional access methods. This preventative maintenance strategy not only increases wind turbine efficiency, but also maximizes clean, low-carbon energy generation. Adaptable to a variety of scenarios and environments, including offshore, this flexibility and adaptability make Bladebug technology ideal for the changing needs of the wind energy sector, ensuring effective effective and safe inspection and maintenance at all times. Blade bug left you speechless? Stay tuned, because the next invention will take you to infinity and beyond, defying all your expectations. Another game-changing invention, the Magic Float floating dock system has been developed and used in a variety of engineering projects for over 2 decades. This system has technical patents for use in various countries. By breaking away from traditional methods of floating dock construction, Magic Float is more versatile and can be combined quickly and easily. It represents an innovative technique for floating dock construction. Are you ready for more excitement? The next piece of equipment is like a fireworks display of innovation. Get ready to be amazed again. The introduction of a flying taxi service is not only a technological advancement, but also an invention that will revolutionize the world. An innovative solution to the urban mobility challenges facing modern cities. With increasing population density and traffic congestion, megacities are becoming increasingly congested, resulting in huge economic losses due to travel delays and increased resource consumption. FlyNow is addressing these challenges by developing urban air mobility vehicles that provide a fast, efficient, and sustainable alternative to traditional ground transportation. These flying taxis can bypass ground traffic and significantly reduce travel times, benefiting passengers by saving time and helping reduce road congestion and greenhouse gas emissions. The implementation of this technology could have a positive impact on the economy by facilitating the transportation of goods and improving access to congested urban areas. This could boost trade and economic development in these areas, creating new job opportunities and spur innovation in the mobility sector. Did FlyNow take your breath away? Well, that's just the beginning. The next invention will take you to heights you can't even imagine. Turbulence cancellation technology provides a patented solution for stabilizing aircraft in turbulent conditions. This innovative approach to flight control can already be applied to today's aircraft, and by incorporating additional technologies such as LiDAR and morphological structures, it can further reduce the impact of turbulence. The goal is to make atmospheric turbulence quantifiable and controllable, so that it can effectively counteract its effects during flight. This phenomenon occurs when air moves over a mountain, creating updrafts and downdrafts. It can also be caused by sudden changes in speed and/or direction near areas of fast-moving air. Another common cause is when an aircraft encounters turbulence created by another aircraft flying in front of it. In addition, intense updrafts and downdrafts caused by thunderstorms can create turbulence during flight. To effectively mitigate the negative effects of turbulence, innovative solutions are needed to significantly reduce the in-flight discomfort experienced by passengers. Thought you'd seen it all? Well, wait until you see what's next. Much more than just an audio device, these hybrid active noise-canceling headphones are an unexpected invention that will amaze you, a gateway to a world of unparalleled sound immersion and comfort. Equipped with the latest in noise-canceling technology, these headphones provide an oasis of calm amidst the noise of the outside world, allowing you to enjoy your music, podcasts, or calls with exceptional clarity. Hybrid noise-canceling technology uses intelligent algorithms to filter and neutralize unwanted sounds for an uninterrupted and fully immersive listening experience. What's more, ambient sound mode keeps you connected to your environment, striking the perfect balance between enjoying your music and being aware of important sounds around you. Whether you're traveling by plane, boat, car, or simply walking down the street, comfort is a priority with these headphones, as they're designed to fit your ears perfectly for hours of continuous use. With the iOS and Android-compatible Urbanista app on your phone, you have full control over your headphones, from battery status to helpful usage tips and firmware updates. Want more? The next set is a blast of technology and style. Get ready to be transported to a new dimension of quality and listening comfort. HyperX X Shoulder offers a revolutionary recovery experience by combining advanced technology with unparalleled comfort and portability. Its adjustable fit provides total freedom of movement while delivering fully automated electrical contrast therapy without the need for ice, prep, or cumbersome wires. This device takes heat and cold therapy to a new level by allowing anyone to enjoy the benefits of elite therapy from the comfort of their home or while traveling. With HyperX X Shoulder, you can customize your treatment by maintaining a constant temperature for as long as you want, or alternating between heat and cold according to a preset program. This allows you to recover faster and return to your daily activities with greater freshness and vitality. Plus, its ergonomic and wireless design gives you freedom of movement, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. No more compromising on recovery. The HyperX X Shoulder gives you maximum versatility and effectiveness, so you can keep your body in optimal condition at all times. If this didn't surprise you, nothing will. But if you think it's not enough, we invite you to follow us for more content like this, or you can watch our other videos.